Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the pound yen definitely looks like a 1-2 and a big old giant wave 3. I think the wave 3 is likely over, and we are very likely now in a wave 4. If this is a wave 4, then it's most likely going to create a very overlapping corrective pattern, probably lasting at least 6 to 8 months minimum before it actually goes up and makes another attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. I think the 50%, but especially because of the previous resistance right around the 178.5 area, is going to be the most likely area for this to end the wave 4, potentially 6 to 8 months from now. Going down to the weekly time frame, definitely one big impulsive move to the downside. I think it is very clearly a wave A of wave 4. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still not convinced that the wave A is over, and plus this wave A should last a lot longer than just a couple weeks if this really is a wave A of wave 4 like I believe it is. Because the wave A, the whole correction should last about 6 to 8 months, so if this wave A was over in 2 or 3 weeks, that would be way, way, way too short to be a wave A of wave 4. So, anyways, I do still think there's a very good likelihood it is going to go down and make that wave 5, and this is still a wave A of that wave 4. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I put my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down right here. I am definitely still looking for a short. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm looking for a nice big engulfing move to the downside and a nice breaker structure to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, which I think is likely the end of a wave 4 and likely the beginning of a wave 5. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, we do have CPI inflation data coming out today for the US, and that definitely is going to affect the yen pairs because the yen is a risk on, risk off currency. I will be in a live stream, a live Zoom meeting during the news today with all my premium members looking for trades at the time of the news because I do daily live Zoom meetings every single day of the week. So if anybody is interested in participating in these meetings and also participating in my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry, then definitely check out the link in the description or just go to fxpipcollector.com. But anyways, I mean, if you are a short time frame trader trading below the 1 hour, you definitely could have been looking for longs this whole time, ever since we got a break of structure to the upside about 2 weeks ago. But I am definitely still waiting for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm still waiting for impulsive down, a breaker structure to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. I still think it's likely a wave 4, a wave 5, and a wave 3 over here. So I'm definitely still patiently waiting for this Fibonacci bounce, a nice golfing move, a nice breaker structure to go short again, potentially for the wave 5 of wave A. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.